What's up, everyone? Today I'm doing little upgrades on my truck, and the first one was that blacked out third brake light. I'll show you the one that I had. It's right here. I had this for like a year, and you could tell I don't know if you could tell that it's carbon fiber, but it's really washed out, and I just wanted to replace it. But that was cool because it was sequential. But today we're gonna be installing. Oh yeah, let me show y'all too. I did install new clear headlights. Those are the old ones. You could tell these are from factory and crusty, and they have that orange side, and this one is clear and brand new. But let's get to this installation, please. We got the Alpha Sonic 6x9s. I got them for all 4 doors. Connecting pieces and some hardware. That's good. So yeah, I got 4 speakers for the all-around speakers, and I don't think I can make how they sound because I would get copyrighted. Well, actually I might, but it's hard to tell how they sound in camera anyways. But that's it on the box. There's hardware and some adapter pieces. But let's get to this installation part. Alright, so when you pop off the cover and take out these 4 screws, it's a really small screw, but this is a 732, and all you gotta do once you pop it out, so let's see, how am I gonna get this out? I'm gonna pry it out with something. Oh yeah, I got some glue on it, but once you just pry it out, couldn't really see, but once you pry it out, you're gonna see these connections. Just undo them, and that's the old speaker, and then these are the new ones. So I don't think I have to splice anything. All I have to do is just connect these adapters to those, and then this to that. So I'll give you an update when I put it in. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to show y'all how I did the back door. At first I thought I was gonna have to take off this whole piece, but I just took off this gray cover, and as y'all can tell, I popped off a lot of tabs, so it was a B to take out, but I got it. And so what I've been doing to connect them, they gave me these quick connectors, and then I split the factory quick connect that they had, and I just used those tie-ins to put them together. And then I had to heat it up because they wouldn't close and grab on to the wires, but I heated them up and it worked good. So I just shimmied the speaker in, and now I'm gonna put in the screws, and then we're gonna do the other side. And another thing, I'm on the other side, the front passenger, and another thing I wanted to show y'all is there's 2 connections from the old speaker, and you want to use the yellow and black, and the yellow and black goes to this green and red and white and green. And you don't, I guess, put this to the side, but you're just gonna use this one right here. Yo, what's good, guys? So let me turn it down. I installed all the speakers. They sound good, very clear. It's just let me turn off the AC. Super hot. They sound good. It's just it's not enough power to really like to test how they sound because there's not enough power pushing out. But they sound really good and clear. Right now, I just got in my new LED lights because these, the ones that you push, they don't work. And for the back they do, it's just the yellow. So all you have to do is just pull these out, twist them out, and then put those in. So let's see how they look or if they fit. All right, so I just installed the 2 LEDs and then those 2. So what's a white truck without white lights? And let me show y'all what the outside lights look like. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out? And then I installed the speakers, the lights, and this third brake light. So y'all saw the 2 little white lights on the side. That's like the cargo lamp. Yeah, it just turns on. So you can see what's in your bed. And then there's a red light in the middle. But that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this little update. So you'll have a
Legends never die.